All right, so I had a problem with this controller. From what I read from the reviews and on YouTube and on the internet, it seems like the culprit is this USB connecting port right here. It's let me see if I can put this in the camera. JDS011 right there. I believe this is a 12 pin. I'll put the description at the bottom below the link so you guys can take a look. I'm hoping that is the problem. Because that would suck if it doesn't work. It was only $5 on Amazon, so this is the package I got. So we'll see if this actually cures the problem. So let's open this up. Okay, let's take a look at it. Oh, let me touch the metal. I gotta ground myself just in case. All this metal. All right, let's take a look at the old one and compare it to the new one. So they look like pretty much the same. If I flip it over, it looks to be the same. So we're gonna find out soon enough. All right, so let me just go to the side. Let's see. Put that out. Let's see, is there? Oh, interesting. Okay, there it is, the new one. Interesting enough, though, this one has a black little. Let me see if I can pinpoint to you guys this. This has a little black strip. That's actually a little. I forgot what they call it, like a little. You flip that up, and then when you put the connector close enough, you push it down so it could lock this ribbon in place. So let's hope this is the solution. So let me pause this video for a second. Let me put it together and let's find out. All right, so I put this back together. Sorry for the low light. Here it is. So now, a moment of truth, we're gonna attempt to charge this. Hang on one second. Yep, there it is. Looks like it's charging. Hope you can see that the light's blinking. So I'll leave the link of this product I got from Amazon, the USB port, down below. Take a look at it. I think it was about $5. It was definitely worth it. Thanks for watching.